Thank you to Scentbird for sponsoring this video.
Hey, as you can see from the title of this video, things are about to get purple. Here's my thought process, hear me out. Cutting my hair shorter is something that I've had in my mind. I really love my long hair, but it's not doing me any favors because all it does is shed everywhere I go. It's really damaged and I don't know, it's just hair. We're not cutting it today, we're gonna dye it. So I know that this process is absolutely going to damage my hair more than it already is damaged. I've accepted it, I've come to terms with it. Months ago, I went to Sally's Beauty Supply and I originally was gonna buy Arctic Fox hair dye, but they didn't have it. So the lady was like, why don't you do this one? So we have this color, it's lavender, which is beautiful. Purple's my favorite color. And it sounds like a dream to me. I'm just gonna be dyeing the ends. We're just gonna go for it because why not? So I guess without further ado, let's get to bleaching.
Before we begin, let's talk about today's sponsor, Scentbird. Scentbird is a monthly subscription service that lets you sample over 600 fragrances, as well as skincare, makeup, and wellness products. All you have to do is choose the items you want to sample for the month, and you can get up to 3 items delivered to your door with free shipping. Scentbird partners with top brands and indie labels like Prada, Gucci, as well as Nest and Toka, so you know you're always getting 100% authentic scents. I just got my fragrances in and I love them all. I chose CK1 by Calvin Klein, Brit Sheer by Burberry, and Cypress by Rag & Bone. Cypress is definitely the most intense scent, so I think I'll save that for a night out whenever quarantine is over, of course. And I think that CK1 is going to become my new everyday scent just because it's really fresh and lightweight. The Scentbird app has fragrance notes, scent types, and even different occasions to wear the certain scent you're looking up. So if you're ever confused or overwhelmed on which scent to pick, you can always go through those and see what will work best for you and your own preferences. If you want to give Scentbird a try, be sure to use my link below for 30% off, which makes your first month just $10. They also have a super convenient app that you can download for iOS or Android, which you can also click on down below. Thank you, Scentbird. Now let's get back to the video.
So during my whole move, I actually discovered that I have a lot of different bleaching products. I did this whole ombre situation years ago, and I guess you could say it worked, but it didn't look good. I do only have 20 developer, which I know technically is what I'm supposed to be doing, but the girl wishes she had like 30 just to really get these ends lifted. You know what I mean? I have this, it's probably 5 years old. I'm gonna use that, and I have bleach as well. This is Balayage Lightning Powder, and it says up to 7 levels of lift. Should I just go for the bleach? I don't know. Should I use this Blonde Brilliance? Why not? Okay, so here she goes. I wish you could smell this. It's like bleach featuring old trash can. I'm being really chaotic right now and I don't appreciate it, especially during this very, very serious time. I'm literally bleaching my hair and I'm just being a tornado. Do I know how to part my hair? No. See that right there? That's why I want to get rid of my long hair. Just because no matter what I do, I very, very rarely style it with any heat treatment. Like, I don't do anything and it still will just get so tangled and knotted and ratty. I've had enough. Do you see this? Do you see that? I really don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna switch to bleach. I just Something tells me that this is incorrect. I cannot believe I'm doing this. I have no plan, no execution. I'm just choosing random hairs and painting. Can't imagine what this is gonna look like once we're all done. This is gonna be so chunky. It's gonna look ugly. Okay, I'm ready to unfold. I'm nervous, to say the least. I'm not expecting an even application, so we'll see. Oh. I wish you could feel this. This is not light enough. I'm gonna have to bleach it again. Can we? So I messed up. I'm gonna leave this in for a little bit longer and then wash it out. And then I'm gonna hope that I have extra bleach upstairs to bleach it again, because I just left so many like really weird, sharp, contrasting dark spots. Here's what we got out of yesterday's debacle. There's just a lot of patchy, streaky chunkiness. Remember what Aaliyah said? If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself up and try again. Really quick before we get started, I just want to show you the back view. Gai Tang who? I don't have a plan. I'm just gonna somehow try and make it look better. I'm probably gonna have to leave the bleach on for much longer. As you can see, my hair is not holding up well. I'm very nervous because this is the last bleach I have. Hello, old friend. Here goes nothing. I have officially run out of bleach, and I still have this and this left to do. I went to go to Amazon to purchase bleach, and basically bleach wouldn't be able to get here until next week, and I just don't have the patience to wait that long. So I figured that I can just go ahead and tone my hair right now. Maybe I can make something work. So this is officially a huge fail, but we already knew that was coming. This side has more bleach than this side, so that's good. So I have these two toners from Wella. One is T18, one is T10. They're both ash blonde shades. I'm just gonna mix them. And now we mix. If I'm being honest with you, what I'm hoping is going to happen is that this toner is going to cancel out all of the red, brown, orange colors that I didn't get to rebleach today. And it's somehow going to just make the most beautiful base for the lavender shade tomorrow that I'm going to be dyeing, because I'm not doing it tonight. All right, I'm going to leave that in for a few, and I will be back with you tomorrow for the results. Good night, sweet dreams. I'm back. So I have my lavender hair dye, and let's get started. Really anxious to see how this turns out. I would be lying if a part of me wasn't hoping for the best. So first impressions, I'm a little confused because the dye is a cream color. I know it's lavender, but don't you think there should be a tinge of purple in there somewhere? That's the color of the What even? Well, here goes nothing. Can't wait to see if this does anything. It's very, very strong. Just coating it on all of my hair, acting like it's really gonna do something. It's doing absolutely nothing to my hair. I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and wash it out. Hi, I really messed up. My hair's gone. For some reason, it looks a lot better on camera than it does in real life, but it's burnt to a crisp. I didn't put my hair through this for nothing. So I went on Amazon, ordered some what is hopefully purple hair dye, had to wait a few days for it to get here, had to disinfect it, but here we are. I really hope this works because I did this for nothing if it doesn't work. This color, it's called Pastel Lilac. I'm gonna mix this random treatment with it and hopefully it'll dilute it a little bit. Maybe I'll start off darker up here and then go lighter as we go. Possibilities really are endless. Here we go. So I'm just gonna do that on the tops, I guess, and then after I'm done with the tops, I'm gonna squeeze in that. Oh, it smells really good. Wow. I like that this has argan oil in it. That's good. You couldn't pay me to bleach my hair anymore. Actually, you definitely could, but I'm just gonna not do that. I'm already very relieved that this is actually purple and not just stark white. So hopefully if it doesn't pick up, it'll just change the tint. The only reason I added the deep conditioner is because I'm just telling myself that maybe a darker and a lighter shade will add some dimension. And now we wait. What do you think? Here she is in all of her purple glory. My thoughts. I really like the color. I'm just sad that it's gonna go away in one wash because that's just kind of the vibes I'm getting based off of the saturation. Really love the color. I think it's so much fun. It's exactly what I wanted. I just, would have wanted it to be evenly coated throughout my hair. It looks fine right now because it's curled. When it's not curled, it is a different story. If you're a hairstylist and you're seeing this, I'm sure that this would not be considered a success, but for little old me, I'm gonna say it's a success. We kind of did it. Did I absolutely ruin the health of the bottom portion of my hair? Yes. It's at that stage where if you wet it, it just kind of sits there like wet string, flops around, doesn't really dry. But besides that, I'm really satisfied. Just wish I could have been born with purple hair. That's it, I did it. I dyed my hair purple. Not sure how long this will be lasting because a lot of the ends of my hair are just breaking off into a lot of the hair up here, it wasn't blonde at all. It was a light brown color. And I was really scared for that because I knew it wouldn't catch the purple, and it didn't, but somehow it kind of just changed the hue a little bit to kind of mesh together and work. Thank you so much for joining me on this hair journey where I fried half of my hair off just for the sake of my favorite color. I really hope you enjoyed and had fun with me, and I hope Brad Mondo sees this. My purple hair and I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!